In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in Maryland State. Before we start, have your ticket in front of you and make sure your internet connection is stable. You'll typically need your citation number, your driver's license details, your date of birth, and a payment card. Having these ready will make the process quick, and it helps prevent typos that can slow you down. Open your browser and go to the official Maryland Court's website. Use the Maryland Judiciary's traffic page and look for the online payment option. If you're unsure you're on the right page, search for Maryland Court's traffic citation information and choose the result from the official court site. Avoid third-party bill pay sites to ensure your payment is applied correctly and securely. Once you're in the payment portal, enter your ticket information exactly as it appears on your citation. Type the citation number carefully, including any leading zeros or hyphens if they're shown. For your driver's license, select the correct issuing state and enter the number exactly as printed. Enter your date of birth in the format requested by the site. Double-check every field before you continue. Even a small error can cause the system to return no results. Next, review the citation details the system displays. You should see the violation description, the fine amount, whether the ticket is eligible for online payment, and any court options that may apply. If the ticket requires a mandatory court appearance, you won't be able to pay it online. The portal will let you know. Also, if you just received your ticket, it may take a few days to appear in the system, so don't panic if it isn't there immediately. If your ticket is eligible, proceed to pay the fine. Maryland's online system commonly accepts Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and American Express. A small, non-refundable convenience fee may apply, and the total will be shown before you submit. Make sure the billing address matches your card, confirm the amount, and use a secure connection. Avoid refreshing the page or clicking the back button while the payment is processing to prevent duplicate charges. After payment, save your confirmation right away. Take a screenshot or print the confirmation page and keep any email receipt you receive. Note the confirmation or reference number and the date and time. Check your card statement over the next few days to verify the charge and keep your proof of payment until the matter is fully cleared. If you can't find your ticket online or something doesn't look right, contact the clerk of the district court listed on your citation for guidance. That's it. You've paid your Maryland traffic ticket online quickly and safely.